Greetings to all the people watching this video. Welcome back to AloneBoyBike. And this is our tour 4 behind the campus. The name suggests that because we are going back around the back of the Udon Thani Rajabhat University Phrao campus towards the route of Ban Na Udom and come back to the university, to the campus, via the back gate of the campus. Let's go. As you can see from both sides, there are paddy fields around with communities and villages. Let's stop for a quick photo, shall we? I would say that's the influence of Rayon boys who taught me about photography of the bikes. Let's continue. Cycling in Thailand, you have to learn to avoid the dangers of cars and motorcycles running by you as well. Don't forget to always stay hydrated while exercising outside like this.
Some welcoming party of two. One is female, as you can see. This one should be a male. Not so sure. He's running away from me. I'm not sure whether it's to welcome me or chasing me to the trap. Just calling me to the trap. Sorry. There's nothing to be worried, man. Yeah? Okay, I met with another one. That's nice. See you again. What? Yeah. This one?
Turn left. Turn left, then turn right.
Right. It's a bank one here. Oh, some mud. Right, and then there's some dogs. 3 of them. Nothing wrong with man. It's a good thing that I changed my tires from the original ones that come with the bike, and it lasted me only a few months. I'm not so sure because it's all swollen up. Not sure whether it's from the factory or just before I bought the bike or after I bought it. Now, yeah, it's all solved now, the problem, because just changed it into Schwalbe Marathon Flux, which is so nice. For the road, yeah, as you can see now, there's so many bumps and vibrations to our camera and anything. Anyway, anyhow, it's all good. And then the only hard part is my drive. It's so hard to install, maybe to remove too. I have never removed it ever since I first installed it. So it should be fine for now. Lasted me for a few thousand kilometers. And as you can see now, the road is so acidic, and that's the one good thing about the rural area. Maybe there's some others too.
The wall you see in front marks the back of the campus, and there are so many shops, restaurants and businesses as you will see in the right.
And you can hear the voice. It seems like some mud stuck between my tires. The patterns there, you know, just scratching. Oh my god, making sound. Yep, right now at the back gate of the Udon Thani Rajabhat University Phrao campus, and there's some degree of security here. As you can see, the security cameras, closed circuits, I hope. And yeah, it should fend off some invaders. Maybe that's too much of a strong word.โอ้พี่งามมาแต่เช้านะครับผม ดีครับมาเช้าหลายเนาะ ครับผม